Vietnam cities are all full of like mazes and like narrow alleys and stuff like that. But here the difference is that it's on different levels, you know. You have stairs, you have slopes, you have weird tiny corridors between two buildings. It's very strange, very unique, and I love it. So I thought I'd walk around and share it with you. Let's go down. It's very strange. It's a very interesting place. I love walking in those. And there's those little kind of ditches or open air drains a little bit everywhere because Dalat is very rainy, especially in this season here. And in places, it almost sounds like little rivers going by. Well, they're almost like little rivers. Look at this, it's so strange. So it's always like kind of a, okay, here it seems like a dead end. Let's go check another one. In those tiny alleys, you'll find mostly houses, but you'll also find a few businesses, a few shops, like restaurants, or a few coffee shops or convenience stores to buy stuff that you may need on a daily basis. Another drain here. I like the fact that those little drains, I don't know, they give a countryside vibe because of the little waterfowl sound, because of the waterfall sound that you hear all the time. It's very lively. Here you got a little convenience store. And you got another one here. We're kind of back to a bigger road here. Hope I can find my way back. You see, you can go higher actually. So in a lot of those little alleys, you'll find stairs on the side and a straight slope next to it. Xin chào. So that people can walk up and down without hurting themselves, but also to allow some motorbikes to go up and down, which seems a little bit crazy considered how narrow and steep it is. But hey, that's how things are here. Not sure if we're going to a dead end or if it's going to lead somewhere else. If a motorbike goes up here, it's crazy. Oh, I think we're in a dead end. I don't know if you guys can hear, but I think someone is doing a little karaoke session here. All right, let's go back down. I think we're in someone's private property. It's super narrow here. I'd be curious to see how a motorbike comes all the way up here. I think I'd be scared. But then some people almost live on their motorbikes, so is there someone? And there's a dog. There's two dogs. Oh, look at this. There's about a bunch of alarm systems right there. You live here? Oh, sorry. Very nice dogs.
Alaska.
Huh? Alaska? Alaska dogs? Very beautiful. Wow, very big too. It's like a baby. It's like a baby. Whoa, whoa. Easy, easy, buddy.
Happy.
He's happy. It's like a little baby. Okay. Does it go somewhere here? No, it doesn't go anywhere here. I think it just goes to more houses. All right, let's keep going. Let's check out another alley. The little drizzle right now, a little rain. Hope it doesn't pick up. Ciao. I never get tired. I never get tired of those alleys and those little endless little mazes. Like here it seems a little bit of a bigger street, but some tiny alleys are everywhere, so we're gonna find more right here. Oh, there's a little photo shoot happening. Damn. Siloy. Hello. Good photo shoot. Maybe I ruined one or two pictures right there. All right. Oh, I think I came here before in one of my live streams. By the way, if you like to watch or take part in live streams, I go around exploring different places, trying different activities, eating food. You can check out my Twitch channel and follow me there. I do a bunch of live streams. They're a lot of fun. You'll find a link in the description below. Let's keep going. I'm not sure what it is here. There's like a kind of a temple entrance, but the building doesn't look like a temple. Looks like some residence or something. And there's some dangerous pooch. Oh, come here. Come here. Come here, buddy. Yeah, I'm not mean. I'm not bad. Yeah. Let me pet you. Let me pet you. Let me pet you. Come on. Let me pet you. Let me pet you. No? Okay. You want me to pet you? What's going on with you? Why are you coming after me when I turn around? Look at this, guys. Look at this view. This is what a big part of Dalat looks like. A lot of houses and buildings stack against each other on the edge of cliffs or squeezed between two hills. How can you not love this? This is so interesting. All right, let's keep going. What's up, Pooch? Can we be friends this time? No? Okay, I'll see you later. I'll see you another time. What? Come on. So dangerous. Huh?
It's too little.
Why are you so nice to her and not to me?
Oh, the bigger one.
Yeah. Okay, let's keep walking. You want to come hang out with me a little bit? Even with her help, he's scared of me. Oh, that's what I was trying to do. I was trying to pet you. All right. Okay, fair enough. Okay. All right. Look at this. There's like this kind of cliff here with a bunch of wires going everywhere. And just over here, there's like a cliff and some houses or whatever buildings down there. What else do we got? We go here. Ciao. Oh, there's a giant pigeon right there. I walked right next to the pigeon and didn't even notice him. Or her, I don't know. Ciao. More dogs. Here. You're kind of cute next to that Banza. Yeah. Okay. Sure. Yeah. Okay. Oh, he's showing bed. Oh, those guys have so much to say. Oh, I think we're coming to a dead end. Some really cute little houses, like this one, with a tiny garden. A tiny garden. All right. Does it go on the right or? Oh, it keeps going. Yeah. I'll talk to you later. Some little design. So it goes there and it also keeps going here. Look at this little access ramp to go to the house, and a nice little pink house with a garden. It's so cute and peaceful. Well, it's peaceful until this guy starts to yap. Here, some people have a little garden growing different things, or just dirt. I don't know. That little blue house. It's so cool. And everywhere you go between two houses, you might catch a little glimpse of the view like this. A bunch of colors combined and stacked on top of each other. I could walk around those alleys for hours. See, there's another one going there. I don't know if it goes somewhere. I love this. I'm not a fan of this kind of weather. It's a little bit cold and it's rainy, but I really love the landscape. I really love the vibe of the city. Keeps going there. I think it's very interesting. Probably more interesting than touristic gardens and places like that, in my opinion anyways. Actually, let me know if you'd like to see maybe a part 2 of this Dalat little alley exploration kind of thing. I don't mind going around different alleys I've never been to. Hey, hello, how are you? Whoa! Almost hit someone with the camera there. Oh, almost hit that motorbike. So yeah. Let me know in the comment section below if you would like to see a part 2 of this little kind of tiny alleys in Dalat. And if I see a bunch of comments saying that they would like to see a part 2 of this, then I'll be more than happy to go around some alleys I've never been to, never been through, and share it with you. All right, that's it. I'll catch you in the next video.